Welcome back to the 392 Pastel page. And today we are trying this pizza vending machine. It only takes 3 minutes to make the pizza.
To make the pizza. No more
3
pizza
minutes.
Hut, no Domino's, no more Papa John's.
You know what I'm saying? A whole vending machine to pizza.
Hopefully it's good though.
Yeah, it's artisan pizza.
It's in a nice area, so.
I mean, it is. So it's gonna be our first time, trying it. We're gonna order it, pick what we want on the pizza. It should take 3 minutes, and then we're gonna let y'all know what it's hitting on.
Alright,
if it's good, y'all see it in the backyard in another video.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna show y'all the process, and then we're gonna taste it and give y'all our honest opinion as always. Alright, let's do it.
2 seconds later.
There you go. They done got stuck. God damn. Oh, they probably dropping it in the box now. There you go.
Pizza. Ooh, that thing looks good.
It's hot as hell.
That thing.
We back.
We're back 3 minutes later. And the only thing we didn't like was
They didn't cut
they didn't cut it, and they didn't have any like knives or forks for you to cut it available. So that's another thing if y'all literally pull apart. So we're going to taste it. It is hot, very hot.
Sure, but come on, let's go.
It's good to me.
I can't say that right now. Hold on, let me actually get into it.
Their crust is thin. Like a thin crust, but it's light. It's not so heavy either.
And they do give you the option if you didn't want to eat it like hot from the machine. You can get one. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. They got some of y'all pizza spots beat. Like,
Definitely Domino's.
definitely Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
It's light. It's like a
It's good.
affair.
Yeah.
It's light.
I like this.
It's good.
It's called Pizza Forno.
I feel like we should maybe not today, but another time we probably will come back and try a different flavor. So they got other choices, and if you like vegetarian, they have a vegetarian pizza. So they have different options. So
Wow.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. And I think what it was like 14 something.
Yeah.
So not bad. It's I'll say probably like a medium sized box.
Yeah, that's what it is. Medium.
So it's not bad for 14 because some of these pizza places like you're spending almost double. So it's good. And it comes with, this was the meat lovers. We got the meat lovers.
Papa had some ranch to dip
I
this
give
in.
this a 10 out of 10 on the pastel scale.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll get this again.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Definitely.
And bro, a gas station parking lot pizza out of a vending machine.
You want to go or, you're in a rush? 3 minutes? 3 minutes. You wait a damn hour or more from pizza places.
And it's
Fresh.
It's 24/7.
24/7.
Pull up.
24/7, y'all. Can't beat that.
So some of y'all go to the club. We
Pizza
trying to find
Forno.
something open.
You did that thing.
This is really good, y'all. Really good.
Yeah.
Well,
Definitely a nice investment.
Yeah.
You put more of these around.
if you guys want to try it, ask. We'll probably put it in the comments. But if we forget, ask us. We'll let y'all know where it's at if y'all want to give it a try. Make sure y'all like this video,
But
subscribe,
it's not even everywhere either.
share. It's not. It's not. I don't think it's everywhere. But I think if you're in Atlanta and y'all want to give it a try, let me know and I'll send y'all the location.
Alright, let us know what y'all want to see. This is going to be the end of the video right here. What y'all want to see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment anything. I'm talking about from pranks, the vlogs. Just let us know.
Let us know exactly what y'all want to see.
And we do collaborations. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, and you want to collab, let us know.
Yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all next time. Next video. All right.
so good.
Peace.